What's up, guys? Joe Drake here with the Axiom Fitness Academy with your move of the week. And today we're doing the cable reverse lunge and row. One of my favorite compound, opposite side, we call it a contralateral moves to engage the back of the legs as well as get a little bit of pulling in. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna get set up with the cable. We'll start with some light resistance because this is the first time doing it. You know, this is definitely not the move that you're trying to get as strong as possible with one muscle group, with the whole system working together. Now we're gonna take a nice big step back, and when I step back, my arm is going to be extended. I'm going to step back here as well. I'm right over the top of that front hip. And then as I pull in, I'm going to step up and I'm going to extend the hip at the same time. All right? So it's timing out. Reach, put that foot back and down, and pull in. And you can almost get a slight lean back, and that's going to really help you if I'm doing the opposite side. It's going to really help you get that hamstring glute engagement and make sure that we're fully extending that hip with every repetition. So this, boom, great exercise for the lower body, full body. Give it a try and let us know what you think.